Live streaming is on.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, yes, I can see as well.
Oh, cool. That's better. So I'm going to go over um, the basics of HTML. So HTML, I'm sure you're familiar with it. Means hypertext markup language. It basically when you talk about the web page, when you talk about web pages, HTML is the structure, is the framework, is the skeletal framework behind the web page. So the web page does not have a head, a body without HTML. HTML makes the web what it is. Every other thing is additional. Remove HTML, there's no web, there's no building. Just like a building. There's no pillar, there's nothing holding the building up. Every other thing like CSS and then JavaScript only makes it beautiful. PHP, the server side language that make you use functionalities with your web. So yeah, so let's go. Let's just go into different HTML. So we have um, HTML basic. So all HTML documents must start with the doc type HTML. This is basically indicating that we are using HTML5. This when you once you put these things, you tell our browser that the code that's about to run on the browser is HTML5. So the normal thing, HTML document begins with this opening tag and ends with this closing tag. Um, the visible part of HTML is between the body in the body tag. So what you see when you run the code, like this, we're gonna run this code now. Let's run this code. So when you run this code is that um, where you see output is within this body tag. Everything in the body here determines what shows here, basically. So HTML, again. So these are the tags. That is H1. These are different sizes of letters. HTML paragraph, HTML link. So this is an example of a link. Okay, let's try. So this is the link. When you click on this, it takes you to this side. So you click on it, it takes you to this side. There's anything we put here. What we make it work. Okay. So moving forward, HTML images. So there are a lot of HTML um, um, basic element and tags. So what I would advise you to do is to use the opportunity that you're starting now of your business to go and learn a lot of them because the basics actually matter. You understand? So just use the opportunity to learn all of them. HTML elements. Um, so the HTML element is everything from the start tag to the end tag. So an element is whatever goes inside here, in between the tags, right? So element one, my first paragraph. So now, question is, how do I manipulate this HTML element? I think that's what that's all about. So you have nested elements. HTML elements have been nested, which means that elements can contain other elements. Okay, all HTML elements consist of nested HTML elements. All HTML documents consist of nested HTML elements. The following example contains four HTML elements. Okay, yeah. So inside this one, you have HTML. Inside HTML, you have body. Inside body, you have H1 inside and all like that. So it's nested. I think you understand. I think you understand. Example. So whatever is inside here between body and an element, H1 and two are elements. Which means that inside an element, you can also put a tag inside. That's the meaning of that. Really. Um, it says never skip end tag if you uh, into HTML element. So these are different tags. I think it's something that you should be able to catch. So HTML attributes. all HTML elements. If you have any question along the way, try to ask me, please. I'm just going to go through over them and quickly go. Your point is going over the basics of this first quarter session. If you have any question, you can ask me. So, all HTML elements can have attributes. Hello. Okay.
Yeah,
All
I can,
you said.
I can hear you. I can hear you.
Okay. Do you have a question?
No, I don't. I thought you were asking for
Okay.
feedback.
Okay. 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 Yeah. I thought I heard something. All HTML elements can have attributes. Attributes provide additional information about elements. Attributes are always specified in the start tag. Attributes usually come in name, value, pairs like name equals to value. So this basically this is the A tag defines a hyperlink. The href attributes specifies the URL of the page the link goes to. Okay, so all HTML elements can have attributes. An attribute provide additional information about the elements. Attributes are always specified in the start tag. Yeah, attributes usually come in name value place like this. So when you have a tag where you now enter here, this thing that is in between this place is an attribute. It's an attribute of this tag. Okay, so it adds a different information. Source attribute, um, the source attribute, with attribute, the height attribute, the source, the alternate attribute, and things like that. Style attributes. All these are attributes. The title attributes. So, yeah. So let's go to headings. I think we discussed that at H1, H1, H2, H3, paragraphs. So you can as well go around and try testing. So you have access to this to this website. I'm sure they sent you a link for the information. I'll go through them. Styles. The property is a CSS. Um, the property is a CSS property. The value is a CSS value. Okay, this thing that is here, CSS style attribute. So all like that. Let's go down to see what we have here again. Yes, HTML tables. Yeah, I think one of the things you would like want to do is to work with tables. Okay, one of the things you want to do is work with tables, try to understand how to do the row, the header. So this is the first row, second row, and third row. Right, this is the header. TH means it's like the header. These are data, and these are data that goes into the header. Let's see table first. Yeah, company is the row. Is the row. Oh, sorry, column, column, column. And these are the rows inside the column. Yeah. Let's try this one. Yeah. So yeah, it's correct. This is the first row. You have company product. Second one you have average. Third one you have this. So that's just the basic example table. So you just need to understand how to ah do tables HTML. How to do tables HTML. That's what the name is. Ah, tables HTML frames. These are very important. So iframes. Iframe is used to display a web page within a web page. Basically, having a window within your window, your normal window in the web page. Just like this guy, just like this place like this. This is basically the iframe. So you just sign it up. You sign it. Example of iframe. Just set it description iframe. But totally, you have to set for it to work. You have to set the height and the width. If I can change, if I change, let's try this. If I change it to google.com, that's the if I change this stuff to oh, you know what? Why not? Yeah. The week is to work for them. I think I need to.
Yoga. Choreography.
Hello. Say something.
No, 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 no,
I heard someone. Okay, were you say something?
no, no, no. I can go on with it.
Let's try to see. So you probably not allowed to work on this side, but this is basically a friend. And yeah. So moving on to CSS. So let's go to CSS. Okay. Um, Jackson. Have you worked with CSS a lot? Jackson, hello.
Yes, I have, but not a lot, a lot.
Okay. Anyway, it's an opportunity to go through everything. Just try to go through everything because very soon you will not have the opportunity again. You'll be busy doing other things. So when you have the opportunity like this, you go through the details. Just go through all of them. Once it's there, it's there. Once it's not there, you just be searching to go to them. So CSS is the language we use to style an HTML document. CSS describes how HTML documents elements should be displayed. This tutorial will teach you CSS from basic to advanced. Now, basically, what CSS means is that it means cascaded style sheet. It means you are putting colors, you added beauty to the HTML. Remember, we said the HTML is the framework, it's structure. It doesn't look cool, it doesn't look fine. What your CSS does is that it gives it color, it gives it font type, it gives it beauty, you style it up. Right? Imagine this page, you can have any CSS property. It will just be everything there. It will just be one thing without the CSS, you know. So, for example, if you wanted to see, let's see if you can do that. Expect. So we move to all the styles. Just imagine there was no style and all this thing. Remove everything. For example, let's look for one thing. Yeah. Right into there. But if you remove everything that is here, you see now. We remove what did I remove? Remove the padding. See what happened? It changed. Remove the border right. Something changed. You see. Remove this here. See that we are beginning to remove all the styles. Transition. Removing all the styles that it would begin to lose its beauty. Remove the style. Removing everything. See, we remove this that affected the navigation bar. Let's look at this. Are you seeing what I'm saying? So what happens is that style sheet makes it look good. That's what happens. So yeah. So first of all, we need to understand that you can write CSS in three ways: internal, inline, internal, and external. Okay. So you can write your CSS either internal, external, or inline. Okay. So I'm going to look for the inline guy. Okay. Okay. Maybe I have to open the JavaScript to change it. Let's see further. Yeah. So this is an example of an inline. This is an example of an inline. So you have this word and you want to put colors to it. And so when you are writing it inside it as an attribute, when you write the CSS as an attribute, you have the inline. This is example of an inline CSS. Okay. Then internal means that the CSS is going to be the style is going to be different. For example, I'm going to remove from here. I'm going to put it uh, in the head that time. Look up, code, this time, okay. Doing something but style, yeah, this style or yeah, sorry, I'm not, yeah. So for sorry for the internal, doing is link. Use style. Right, open the site, accept it. Right. Then use something we call ID to reference it. So just say H1. So I'll just put something like this. Dot H1. No, call it this. Why is it just copy this guy? Run this. See that?
I think there's some your edge tag, the closing tag.
The
Forward slash is supposed to be before the head.
before the head.
Yes, the one yes.
What last
The forward slash is supposed to be before this head, before you type head.
yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Actually, I think it's because of this time. Let me look at. This is the one like put. Maybe not the time to want it that. Let's see first. This one you can. Oh, yeah. So, okay. So what's wrong?
Line 5, the forward slash is supposed to come before this time.
Okay, yeah. I think that's right. Oh, okay. Now, it didn't affect because from this guy, see. You want this view to show. Why it's not showing? In, Not showing why.
Sorry, you're using the class selector for
So
line.
I think this ID will work.
You're using the class selector. The line 5 is dot H instead of just H1.
It's dot
Should
what?
just be H1.
Without dot H, right?
Without yes, without the period.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So basically, that's it. Yeah. So basically, this is the internal um, CSS. Now, if I wanted to do the external, I would have to click on another file, then link it. Via the link, I'll send it to you so that I can do that. Okay. Since there's another person on this call, on the class, Damilola, can you speak? Damilola, please can you speak, please? Okay. So, sorry. Yeah. So basically, internal CSS. Yeah, I think one of the things that you need to know borders, margins, padding, box model. And so basically this is introduction. We still have to go over all this introduction and what's that? So PHP. Yes, PHP. Let's now set up our configuration. Can you believe that I'm not sure I have example of this like this. So let me use the opportunity to set it up for you. Okay. I don't know example one time. Wow. Just one. Sure. Why not the thing? Let me just use maybe the switch one. So PHP. Um, actually, how many language do you write? How many programming language do you write? That's can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
I have a
Yeah,
question. I don't know if you can hear me.
I can hear you.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. I can
I
hear you.
okay.
Hi.
Um for the Khan Academy that we're supposed to use for the curriculum, is there a class code that we're supposed to use, or are we just supposed to learn on our own?
Which academy is that? They sent you a link on Khan. On what's the what do you call it again?
What um I can't hear you clearly. What did you say?
Sorry, what did you call the link or the name of the website?
The link is on the curriculum.
What is the name? What do you call it now? I didn't get it.
Khan Academy. Khan.
Khan.
Yes.
I'm not. I don't know who updated that. Can you send the link here? I don't know. Okay, it requires for you to pay to learn from it. It's not free.
Okay. Maybe
Is it free?
I would ask later because I can barely hear. I
Okay.
can see your screen, but I
Uh,
can barely hear you.
Jackson, can you hear me?
Yes, I can. I
Yeah.
can hear you.
Yes, I can.
Okay. Can you hear me now? Okay. I think every link that will be shared with you are basically free places where you can learn. I don't know. Think you should pay. So don't need any special code. If it's free, you just go and learn. Yeah. So PHP is a server scripting language, a powerful tool for making dynamic and internet web pages. PHP is widely used, free, efficient, an alternative to competitors such as Microsoft ASP. This stuff is very old. Alternative to what's the alternative to Node? PHP is cool, sha. PHP has new. PHP is not dying. Okay. So I was asking Jackson, how many language can you write? Yeah. So what- hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay. So basically, because of you, I'm going to have you set up your have you run PHP on your system before? Damlala.
No, I haven't.
Okay, that's what I want to know. So I'm going to go and download. So you go to Google, type XAMPP for Windows. Okay,
Okay.
I just do it again for you. XAMPP for Windows. Tap download for Windows. So brother, do it for me. XAMPP download for Windows. Are you following me? Are you following me?
Yes, I am. I'm following
Okay.
you.
So once I click on this, take me to this page, and I'm going to go for this 7.4, which is very it works with other applications like you're doing other things. So I won't have issue with downgrading when you want to run. Um,
Okay.
yeah. So I just download this. I think I've downloaded it before. Computer. It's like that. Okay. Now click the download button here. Download and wait for it to download. So when it downloads it now. So almost done downloading. My battery is gonna be so low right now, 14%. Wow. Okay. So I'm going to try to install it and create the first application. Run the server for the first time. So Sam, are you following? Have you downloaded yours?
Yes, I'm following you.
Have you downloaded yours?
I'm connecting to my phone now, but I'm writing it down.
Okay.
Yes.
So, so once download, you open it. Just install like every other application. Yeah. Welcome to Sam. That is, I don't need to add some part. Like this for a while, and my system might not be alive in the shape. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to send a link on how to install that, how to set up the RAM of it. That's all.
Okay.
Yeah.
Um, will the link be on Slack or is it going to be
I'm sending
on
you
on
now
this app
on this app.
now? Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel.
Okay. So that's it for this first conversation. I think you have um, Can you go to the LMS? Jackson, do you know what's the first assignment? First contact assignment, session assignment.
No, I don't know what it is. I've not been added to the LMS yet.
Okay. What about Jackson?
I've not been added, so I can't. I don't get verification emails.
Okay. So, um, let me check it out. Let me see. Yeah. That's- So, yeah. So your first assignment. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, can see your screen.
Yeah. Your first assignment is to create a one-page site with knowledge of CSS, with HTML and CSS. Create a one-page site with knowledge of HTML and CSS. So this is what is supposed to do. Create a one-page site with knowledge of HTML and CSS. Yeah, so you can start working on this while I go and find a way to charge my system and and join you. Join you. So you can watch that video to try to set up your PHP environment. Then just create a one page site with knowledge of HTML. Of anything, or run it using PHP server in your local machine. That's the assignment. Okay, are we clear? Are we okay?
Yes, but when are we supposed to submit the assignment?
That's next before the next contact session.
Okay, we're going to submit it on the LMS group.
Okay. If you still don't have access to the element, I'm copying my email now. You just check
Hello,
it.
Okay. So
hello,
we have to send it to
hello.
I.
Am I going to host the website?
Said?
Are we going to post?
No,
Okay,
no, no,
we are sending you the
no.
file.
Yeah, just send me the file.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah.
Please, can you take them for the second class? Because this is actually their second contact section. Because they miss it.
Now,
Yeah,
check him now. And
yes.
it's no, my battery is actually low. I didn't plan for that. But
Oh,
yeah, watch is
maybe
7%.
in the next class, right?
Yeah, okay.
Or what I would suggest is give them the assignment for the second contact section. Let them work
Well,
on have the long weekend to work on their two, so that if they have any
okay.
signing it, you can just treat it before you get the next
Okay.
work on it, so they don't miss anything. You get
Okay.
so give
So this
them
is the Yeah, this is the second assignment. Create a to-do list app with HTML and CSS only.
So
And
they
if you have,
can, if they have
yeah.
any issues, they will come to class and then you talk about it on first class. That's
Okay.
yeah.
All right. So you heard her. So kindly work on the both of them. Just create a one-page site with non-job statement. Second one is do a to-do list app, HTML CSS only. No using PHP or anything. Just HTML CSS. That was the assignment all about. Okay.
Okay,
Um.
so do we send the link to the assignment, or how
Yeah. You
submit
what you
the
can do. There are many ways you can do it. You can put it on your GitHub. Send me a link. You can put it on. You can compress it. You can compress it and send it to me an email. You can send me the link on my email directly.
assignment? Okay, I think using
From your
GitHub
drive, send me
is
the link.
easy. All right, thank you.
Yeah, it's GitHub. Yeah, yeah. Okay. All right. All right. Do have going to buy. I have to go and shut down my system. My money is 5%. It will go by itself. So
I also want to say something, please. If you're having any issue with the LMS, please send it to the Slack channel so I can send it to the support team to treat the issue. Is that okay?
Yes, but I've not been added to the LMS channel yet.
LMS.
Yes, I've not been added yet.
That's what I'm saying now. That were you able to create an account on LMS?
Yes, I have an account on LMS.
Okay, 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 awesome. I will add you. I will add you. Jackson, what
But
about
Yeah, I think I just got added to the closed group,
no? I'm
the
talking.
November. Yes, but I've not been able to still create any account on the LMS.
Okay, what is the issue? Send the issue about LMS so I can escalate support team.
Okay, I'll do that again.
All right, thank you. All right, so thank you for no.
sorry, one question. The email I dropped is not the email I use for my LMS. It's not the email I used to sign up for my LMS. The email I dropped on the chat box.
Type your name, so the name that comes up. Since you already have an account, so
Okay. Yes.
it doesn't matter.
All right. Thank you.
All right, have a nice day. Bye.
Bye.